I'm Lindsay and this is Jess, and we are back for another segment for Nutrition Month. So today we're going to be doing a food demonstration for you. We're going to take you through a recipe that is from Nutrition Month 2021 recipe ebook. So it's available free online, so check out our Facebook page. We're going to post it on there for you to access these recipes. So today we're going to be making garlic tomato chickpeas, and Jess is going to take you through what you need for this recipe.
So it's actually a pretty straightforward, simple recipe. It just requires a few simple ingredients. So of course our chickpeas here, half an onion, a jalapeno pepper, a piece of ginger, half a lemon, passata or strained tomatoes, garlic, cayenne, and turmeric. Okay, so let's get started.
So the first step is to blend together in a food processor or blender, or even a handheld blender could work for this. We're gonna add the garlic, the onion, the jalapeno pepper, and the ginger. But first we have to prepare those vegetables. It asks for 6 cloves of garlic. So we'll just go ahead, we'll take 6 cloves out, peel those. Depending how much you like garlic, you could even put more if you'd like. So an easy way to peel garlic is to take the side of your knife and carefully either push down or give it a little tap, and the peeling comes right off. You can just remove the root end. We'll put that right in our blender. Then we're gonna take our onion and half it. We'll just take off the top part there. Then we're gonna peel the onion. Add that to our blender. Now we need to half and remove the seeds from a jalapeno pepper. So you just want to be careful because they're very hot. Most heat comes from the seeds. You could choose to wear gloves if you find that you react to jalapeno pepper. Also use a spoon to kind of avoid direct contact. A half jalapeno pepper, we'll add that as well. And now we need a 1/2 inch piece of ginger. Just peel about a 1/2 inch piece that we need, and then we'll add that in. But it's easier to peel whenever you have a big chunk of it. So I find it easy to use a spoon to peel ginger. Peeling is so thin. So again, you can add more or less depending on how much you like ginger, but we'll add that in. We're going to pulse this together in our food processor, adding a little bit of water if we find it too thick. Now we're going to pulse this together. So this looks pretty smooth. If you found it was thick and hard to blend, you could add a tablespoon of water at a time. Keep blending till you get a nice smooth consistency.
Okay, so now we're going to move to the stove top where we are going to add the garlic puree that Jessica just mixed up for us. We first actually heated some oil, and then you're adding your garlic.
So you're going to cook this for about 3 to 4 minutes, or until it starts to turn a nice brown color. So once our garlic puree has browned, we're then going to add our passata or our strained tomatoes, as well as our turmeric, and give that a nice stir. We want to stir it or let it sit until it starts to simmer. When you've reached a simmer, it's time to add in your chickpeas. So you're going to add in your 2 cans of chickpeas as well as your lemon juice. So we used about half a lemon, and this is also when you're going to add in your cayenne pepper. And once again, give it a nice good stir. From here, you're going to cover your pot and you're going to reduce your heat to low and let it sit, stirring occasionally for about 15 minutes until it has thickened. And we're done. Thanks for watching, everyone. Here are our garlic tomato chickpeas. If you're looking for more information, you can check out our Facebook page, our website, or our YouTube channel.